Hey everyone, today we are on a mission to unravel the secrets of influencer marketing. Whether you are a business owner or a marketing enthusiast, you probably know that choosing the right influencer for your campaign is a make or break decision. With a multitude of influencer types and niches available, we are here to provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to navigate this complex landscape and find the influencer that is a perfect match for your brand. Step number 1. Identifying influencer categories based on audience size. Influencer marketing is more than just numbers. Let us kick things off by learning how to categorize influencers based on the size of their audience. Nano influencers. At the smallest end of the spectrum, we have nano influencers with followers ranging from 1,000 to 10,000. Despite their modest numbers, nano influencers wield considerable power. Micro-influencers. Stepping up a notch, micro-influencers typically boast between 10,000 to 100,000 followers. They excel in striking a balance between audience size and engagement. Macro-influencers. Climbing higher, we have macro-influencers with audiences between 100,000 to 1 million. They often include social media stars, bloggers, or podcasters, providing both reach and niche expertise. Mega influencers. At the peak, we find mega influencers with over 1 million followers. This category encompasses celebrities, emerging stars, and key opinion leaders. While their engagement rates may not be the highest, their potential reach is unparalleled. Step number 2. Tailoring your selection to niches and content types. Beyond audience size, an essential aspect of influencer selection is ensuring their niche and content style align with your brand. Let us explore this further. Sports and fitness influencers. For businesses in the sports or fitness industry, sports and fitness influencers are a natural choice. They specialize in promoting sports and wellness-related brands, making them a perfect fit for your campaigns. Travel influencers. Travel enthusiasts, listen up. Travel influencers are your go-to source for travel tips, recommendations, and brand reviews. They are the ideal choice for promoting travel destinations, accommodations, and dining establishments. Beauty influencers. In the beauty industry, beauty influencers reign supreme. These professionals share beauty tips and provide comprehensive product reviews, making them the ultimate partners for your makeup and cosmetic product promotions. Step number 3. Developing a strategic approach to influencer selection. Now that we have explored influencer categories and niches, let us move on to creating a strategic influencer selection plan that aligns with your brand's objectives. Define your campaign objectives. Start by clearly defining your campaign objectives. What are your goals? Is it brand awareness, increased engagement, higher sales, or all of the above? Clarity is key to choosing influencers who can help you achieve your desired outcomes. Analyze your target audience. Conduct an in-depth analysis of your target audience. Understand their demographics, interests, and online behavior. This information will help you identify influencers whose followers align with your customer base. Ensure content alignment. Ensure the influencer's content aligns seamlessly with your brand's values and messaging. Authenticity and trust are essential for a successful influencer partnership. Build collaborative relationships. Cultivate collaborative relationships with your selected influencers. Effective communication and understanding are the foundations of a fruitful influencer campaign. Set performance metrics. Establish clear performance metrics. Monitor engagement, reach, conversions, and other key performance indicators to evaluate the effectiveness of your campaign. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to choose the perfect influencer for your brand. Remember, it is not just about follower counts, it is about finding the influencer that resonates with your brand and can help you achieve your campaign objectives. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to launch your influencer marketing campaign, a step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.